Welcome to the most efficient square footage on Earth. This is the home of Toyota, where the legendary efficiency begins with the purest inputs. High-strength steel arrives in a synchronized dance of logistics, exactly when the line demands it.
At the heart of every Camry is the TNGA platform, a foundation forged under 5,000 tons of pressure for unmatched structural integrity.
Precision in the smallest details ensures the silence Toyota is known for. Every seam is sealed to perfection.
Technology provides the precision, but the Takumi masters provide the soul. Every inch is inspected by eyes that see what machines cannot.
This is the marriage, the moment the body and soul of the Toyota Camry become one, synchronized to the millisecond. From raw steel to a living machine, the Camry stands ready, a product of 60 years of manufacturing evolution.
Every Toyota is a data-driven masterpiece. Over 2,000 digital checks ensure that quality is built in, never just added on.
Line off. A new Toyota is born, carrying with it a legacy of reliability that spans generations. A Toyota doesn't just drive, it sees. Our Safety Sense calibration ensures your Camry is always one step ahead of the road.
6,000 parts. One philosophy. The Toyota Camry is now complete, built to lead, and built to last.
Set destination to downtown. Check vehicle status.
Zero defects. This isn't just a goal, it's the standard. Every Camry that leaves this line is a testament to the pursuit of perfection.
The data shows a critical variance right here.
Confirmed. We need to recalibrate the Z-axis measurements.
Inside the world's most efficient factory, we don't just build cars, we build the future of mobility.